Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you upload or import your customer list into your FreshBooks account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your customers into FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that FreshBooks is a popular way to manage your books and your invoicing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to import your customer list, here on the left, click on clients. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to be in the client section in FreshBooks. And in order to import a list, here on the top right, you're going to see this button, More Action. Click on the little downward arrow. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. And today we're going to go ahead and import or upload your client list. Okay, next, FreshBooks lets you know it does need to be a .csv file, so kind of keep that in mind. And all you're going to do is click right here and choose file. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and choose your client list. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next, FreshBooks is going to let you know how many clients you're about to import into your FreshBooks account. So for this one, I have 3 on this list. And now we need to go ahead and organize this. So this is the FreshBooks field, and then this is the column in my list. So let me go ahead and open this up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And then, so this is first name. So I'm going to choose right here, and last name, we're going to go ahead and just scroll through, and here's last name. Company, I don't really have one. So I'm going to go ahead and list none. Email address, we're going to put right here, and the phone number, I don't have a phone number. So I'm going to click none. Okay, once you've organized it, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so now it's matching up other columns. So let me go ahead and click here. We'll do city, and we'll do state, and zip code I have, country, no. Okay, I'm going to click on import clients. Okay, next I get this confirmation saying that 3 clients have been added. So let me click on okay, got it. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see everything from my spreadsheet of client list has been added right here. So now I can go ahead and invoice them or send them receipts directly through FreshBooks. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload your customer list into FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.